mouse!
Stick it right under the back end of the trailer, between them ramps. Leave about
Between
that
the
much
ramps.
room.
Just so it goes down a little tiny bit, but doesn't go,
Yeah.
doesn't bend the trailer. Smart man. We bent our trailer.
Right, I ain't gonna bend it, I just don't want it to
Support it.
drag on.
Yeah, there's about that room from the top of it.
Hey.
Comes with its own
Gaia,
mouse.
get off of that.
Get off of that.
Fathom,
Get
go.
out of there.
Go.
So there's a little mouse that came out of it. And it's somewhere around here. But I don't know.
One thing I didn't show you, if you want to set the brakes, just push down on it. There's a thing right back here. There's one on each one. Then you pull up and then let go.
Oh, okay, cool.
No,
That will.
usually you just do that to release them. This one's kind of sticky. I sprayed some shit on it. I never use them.
And that's a one for either
And
side.
it won't come off by itself, so you just got to push the handle down.
Awesome.
I never use them. Walk on a hill or something might be a good idea.
Yeah. Off the trailer, Fathom. Get off. Stay off.
Yeah. Yes. I do some mowing, mowing and brush hogging, mowing and brush hogging, mowing and brush hogging. This is kind of like our schoolie. Sad. Necessary. Where do you think it went? I don't know.